right, everyone, we are here at the Marriott London Canary Warf Executive Apartments. Just checked in. Our last 2 days in London. Let's take a look in here. It's a 2-bedroom. So let's take you to bedroom 1. I said it was 2 kings, but somehow we ended up with, I guess they can turn this into 2 kings, but this is where our kid will be. So it's more than fine for her. I think a 10-year-old can get by with 2 twins, basically. Got your own TV in here. Lovely artwork. You said this property is open in 2004, so it's a 22-year-old property. It's showing a little bit of patina here, but all in all, it's pretty tidy. Pretty good. So it's a nice size room. This is as big as some of the hotel rooms we have had, including the one we just checked out of. Take a look at this view. It's a mid-June hot day. We got a giant ducky down there. Look at that. Yeah, baby. It's a canal. Perfect timing. I couldn't have timed these trains any better. So we arrived on such a train coming from Maida Vale, about half hour away. Took us about an hour between walking and riding in trains. Really nice view. Look at this. There's people. You see that? They're dining in these bumper cars. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at that. Look at that. That's something. How does that work? So the trains are right there, man, and there's a nice, whatever, crab shack, and this is the Canary Wharf area. And I notice they call things around here like Circular Quay, like spelled like quay. Reminds me of Australia. High-rise buildings, a business district, JP Morgan and HSBC. This kid's spoiled. She has no idea what kind of a life she's leading. So that is the first bedroom. That's the bathroom that comes with it. Standard shower stall, toilet, tub. Well equipped. You got a place to put your toothbrushes. I like that. There's the old cranes for unloading the boats, I suppose. Now let's go to the living room area. This is the living room. Comes with a kid who watches Epic the Musical. I bet that folds out too. The cushions are backwards. That's weird. This life is amazing. So same view, just different window. Pretty neat. Desk. It doesn't have a proper dining room table, which is interesting, but it does have a breakfast counter here. There's your stove, actually 4 burners. It's kind of tight, but there are 4 burners. Little oven. That's nice, as well as a microwave oven, tiny microwave. A lot of the newer places have like a combo oven / microwave oven, but this has an official oven. What's here? What's going on here? Oh, that's like your exhaust thing. Okay, so I guess you pull this forward to capture all of the... You see that, hon? This is to capture the exhaust. It's Pretty clever. Glasses, teacups, coffee cups. What's this? Some plates up here. Looks like a bowl there maybe. Yeah, a little bowl. More switches to what I don't know. Let's see what we got down here. Fridge. There's your fridge. Not a full-size fridge, but as far as hotel fridges go, it's bigger than most, but still compact. So you can't really load out stuff in there if you're here for a while. Hey, who wants to make pie? There you go. Bottle openers and such. There's more utensils. So we got to see what we got to cook with. Colander, there's a thing to grate cheese. 3 different size pots. That's good. Oh, here. There's a drawer here. Don't know what that is. I think that's Hooski Badoo. I don't know what that is. What's in there? There's nothing in there. Oh, wait. Yeah. There's your frying pan. Hiding in the oven. We'll just pull that out already. There's your dish detergent, such. There's your dishwasher. As a coffee drinker, I appreciate lots of coffee packets and sweeteners, and if you're a tea drinker, they don't shortchange you on that. If you're gonna do a French press, I don't see any coffee for that, so you'd have to buy your own, I suppose. So, full-size trash can, we like that. Let's just make sure this is really a fold-out. I bet it is. No, it's not. They just put the cushions in backwards, probably because they're damaged and stained. That's cool. Not so bad. That works. Fixing their cushions for them. Here's our second bedroom. A 3rd television. Lots of drawers. Another chair to sit in. A lot of sitting areas. And again, same view. All the views in this room look out to the same area. But it's nice, you know. Get your gay pride flags up there. Very nice. This drawer is going to have money. Oh, no money. A little bench for putting on your shoes there. King size bed. This is where we are. Marriott Executive Apartments, London Canary Warf. So, just so you know, your elite status doesn't really mean anything here. You can get discount on dining, but there's no access to lounge, there's no free breakfast. If you stay in the hotel side, you get all that. Over here is just the apartments. So, what can you do? It's a trade-off, but we're in for it because there's a laundry facility. It's complimentary, and we're going to hit that, wherever that is. Take it over here. Here's an interesting thing here. It's a separate exit. It has no room key, but there's no handle. You can't get in this way, but you can get out. It's like a secret door. Pretty cool. Very cool. And this second bathroom, very similar to the first one, almost identical actually. Just a little bit different artwork. But again, just like I just showed you, same setup, lots of towels, place for your toothbrushes. They don't really have a lot of the amenities, like I don't see toothbrush kits or whatever. You could probably request all that if you want it, but it's got everything you could pretty much need for a little extended stay. Having the extra room is nice, so we can pretend we are home here. Yeah, so that's it. You get the idea of what's going on. Back in the other room. Had to run the aircon, air it out a little bit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look at there's a train down there. I might take that too. There's 3 stops away. Take it to London Bridge. I probably won't make it out there until tomorrow. I'm thinking about trying to power through and do it today. It's hot out though. We may just hide in here. We're gonna go search for grocery options. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching One Voice Amongst Many. Big Country is here for you. Aloha from London. Canary Warf Marriott Executive Apartments.